Hello and welcome to another update video on FET. We are looking at the daily time frame here, and FET has dipped into our Fibonacci support area here between 43 cents and 66 cents. This remains an important support area for the bullish scenario. It is entirely possible we've bottomed already in this B wave, but I would want to see a little bit more evidence before I confirm that, because overall, this correction is still quite shallow compared to what we've seen across the sector. But that can happen. I mean, we have a 5-wave move up right from the April low. We talked about that in previous updates extensively. I am tracking higher prices. We still need to be cautious with this one. But overall, the focus is on higher prices as long as this support area is being respected. It's just a standard Fibonacci support area, which remains relevant as long as the pullback looks corrective, overlapping, weak. And that means we have an area here where ideally the bulls would get interested, where the buyers would normally get interested, and where they normally turn up. So again, 43.3 to 66.2 cents is the relevant Fibonacci support area. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame for FET. What you see here is, again, the same support area. I think we might need to, do we need to adjust it slightly? Oh yeah, we need to adjust it to the high. So on the daily chart, I have adjusted it to the high, but that doesn't matter so much. Important is here that we respect the Fibonacci support area, that we don't break below that 43 cent level. Again, it is a 5-wave move up. It is also a corrective pullback, which is characterized by 3-wave structures, which means it's overall still bullish. However, I do not have any evidence that we have really formed a substantial low, even though that's of course possible from this support area. What I need to see next is a 5-wave move up, which would be yellow wave 1, and a higher low in yellow wave 2. This would be the first step to confirm that we've bottomed there. For now, all we have is a reaction, and that reaction so far has been in 3 waves. So I do not have a 5-wave move up yet. At some point, obviously, we have to say, going even smaller with the analysis, smaller degrees, smaller time frames, doesn't really make any sense. So I don't want to really try to start to label the microstructures here. You get kind of wrong patterns. There are too many distortions on the smaller time frames in the crypto sector. It is what it is, especially here these altcoin charts. Yeah, it's too messy, okay? But for now, all I can say, it's what it isn't. It's not a 5-wave move up yet, and we have not broken above the high. So what I want to see is a 5-wave move up and a break above the green line at 83.5 cents. This would be our next confirmation that indeed wave B has already bottomed. Bit too early to confirm at this point, but if we get 5 waves up followed by a 3-wave pullback, well, I can add, once we have 5 waves up, I can add a support area to the chart, which might then be a jump-off point to start a 3rd wave. I'm not convinced yet that we've bottomed, but overall, we're tracking higher prices, of course. All I'm saying is we might see another dip into this blue zone between 48.6 and 59.7 cents. Be ready for it. That's the update on FET. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.